Hello POCO fans, I'm Chris and today we are going to see what POCO has sent to me in this rather special care package. So let's start by opening it, and we have a nice POCO M4 Pro 5G. It's been released in these days. And here we have a power black version with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM. So definitely a nice, the nicest, let's say, version. And yeah, let's start by unboxing it and let's discover what POCO is offering us. Let's open it. So we have the booklets as always, so stickers, manuals, and obviously protective case. Interesting stuff, let's see. And here it is. So in this version we have of the new M4 Pro, we have the Dimensity 810 with dual 5G, so 2 SIMs, both support 5G. Then we have 33 watts of fast charging with MMT, so it's very fast at charging. The display is Full HD with 90 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz of touch sampling rate, so the touch is amazing. And the cameras. On the back we have a 50 megapixel primary sensor coupled to an 8 megapixel ultra wide. So we don't have telephoto, macro or depth sensors. They are useless and they have focused on what it's more important. So 50 megapixel sensor, quite good, and we'll try it and we'll see how it takes pictures and videos. So yeah, let's continue by opening it, peeling this protective layer off. And yeah, this is the new design. I mean, it's so nice. And to my surprise, it doesn't leave fingerprints.